Hi guys, welcome my channel and in my new series of video how I make money every day. Today I'll be explaining my technique how I make it. First we have good moment for the downsize. 1 second. First always check on what size is ask and bid at these two lines. They're basically 104 7 about the 4 pips difference. Now it's fine. Okay, it's few rules which are on the FX option you need to know about. First of all, check ask and bid because they change all the time. Basically in the morning when I was checking on the about the 8 o'clock when I practiced, it was waiting from 2 hours basically, and last 2 hours was massive gap. This these lines was about a 15 pips difference from the point when you entered the trend. It was 15 pips up and 15 pips down. When it's like this one, don't even bother to trading because it's 99.9 you will lose, because it's very rare the market is going about a 20 pips up or down in the space of the half an hour or hour. Then more safely is wait, just be patient. That's one thing. Ask and bid, checking. Another one is you need to know which movement you have. From my previous videos you see what kind of indicators I'm using. I have 3 lines in here, 3 lines on the 5-minute chart, 15 minutes, and another one, 2 indicators in here below, which probably you will not see until you are my student and you click my basically affiliate link under my video. Then you will have my full strategy, my indicators, and you will know properly, and I will show you how I do this one properly every single day. Back to the trading. I believe in next space in 50 minutes market will continue go down, then we'll see our profit. One solution for FX option, it's that then you can make a lot of money in basically in 1 hour. But like I say, it's few rules. Ask and bid 1, be patient, that's 2, see the market how it behaves. Like before was have massive uptrend, now have pullback. I believe the pullback will be up to my yellow line, sorry, up to hit this level somewhere in here. When that's allowed me to hopefully will go to this level in here in next space 15 to 20 minutes, then I'll have my profit, because like I said, we are on the pullback now, and normally when this pullback its dodge is dropping down between this green and red one line on the 50-minute chart. Then when that's happen, we'll make our profit. Then for now we need to be patient and just wait. And so we was waiting. We still have about nearly 40 minutes to finish our expiration time. You can see then market was going up. Now we have pullback, but still I'm waiting when we go up to this moment probably. Then that'll be somewhere around our yellow line in here. The same then, 2 lines they cross in here. Then probably we need to wait a little longer than I expect. I was thinking then on this time we'll have already our profit at 54%. Yeah, somewhere around this line. If we go, then we need a 68. We need basically 4 pips movement down. It was 74. Yeah, and we'll go about 4 pips to this line, we'll get our target, then just be patient and see how the market behave. And we have our movement finally. It start to getting down a little low. 25, 40, 50. Drop to 54. I need to have 5,000 in here. Nearly. Okay, we have 49%. 49. I know we invest about 10,000. That's the practice account, but still 49% in space of less than half an hour. Then basically, if you see my previous video about the money management and how much you can make during the, for example, week and month from doing 50% every single day, that just proves that my technique is working perfectly. Then if you want to make money the same, if you're interested about the multiply and you want to learn how to do it, join me on my affiliate link and subscribe my channel. Thanks.